Welcome, in front of me I have LENOVO Tab P11 and Xiaomi AirDots 2, and today I will show you how you can connect this earbuds to your smartphone. So at the first, you have to open them just like that, and there's two methods. The first one, when the indicator are blinking, you can move to the Bluetooth settings and pair them already, but in my case I have to move them into the pairing mode manually. So how I can make it? Click hold both buttons, just like that. Right now release when you get the red color on the indicator, and as you can see right now they are blinking on a white color. So we can smoothly move to the Bluetooth settings and pair them with our Tab P11. Here they are, so tap on the list, click pair, and as you can see after a few moments we are connected. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.